room. That bird right on the table. You think that was a food, but it was a bird feather. I wish no one didn't. But, first off, this is like a Thursday haul. There will be a haul on Friday too because we have to go to Hart first and then to the store on Friday. You know. And it's today. And it was at 3:19 p.m. at 9/5/2013. It was at 9:19 p.m. and I cashed out $50. Then I have $74.07. Yep, because we won't have time to go tomorrow. We have to get groceries and stuff like that tomorrow. I have to work tomorrow. And then, guess where we went? Had to pick up some stuff from Target! At the Target blah blah and the mall blah blah. But I needed to stock up on some stuff. First, I got my Always. Just because I don't know how many wipes I have left, but here are my wipes that I got. I love these babies, they're Always. And then I got I got a Tic Tac. And I got conditioner and shampoo. Because I'm almost low. And that food wasn't food yet. The feather wasn't food. Almost ate a whole tiny feather of a duck. I just put it on the table. I don't know what the other feather is. But I got shampoo and conditioner and Always. And that all was Always was $4.99, and the shampoo and conditioner was $2.99. Tax $10.47, and the total was $11.78. I gave her 20 and got $8.22 back. Yep. The weather channel that I want to be on. And yeah, have a wonderful day, have a wonderful weekend, and everything else. I want to call some people. Peace out, rock on, love ya, and this video will get posted. Happy Thursday, bye. Now I have kitties on Thursdays. Okay, bye.